The two peninsulas of Michigan are filled with natural wonders. This state is over 58,000 square miles, making it the 23rd largest state in the country. With 3,288 miles of shoreline, Michigan truly earns its nickname, Water Wonderland. Four of the five Great Lakes border Michigan, forming such natural landmarks as the Pictured Rock shoreline and the Lake Michigan sand dunes. Large forests, both deciduous and coniferous, cover much of Michigan, providing natural habitats for wildlife as well as timber for the lumbering industry. The Porcupine Mountains in the Upper Peninsula form the highest points in the state, rising to 1,900-foot peaks. Islands, rivers, and waterfalls abound within the state, offering both scenic views and recreation sites.